Once you have created a ringtone using Create Ringtones, connect your device to your computer and launch iTunes. Select your device from the Devices list, and then navigate to the Apps tab. Scroll down to view the File Sharing section. If you do not see the File Sharing section, do not worry, just sync your device. Select Ringtones from the Apps section, and select any of the ringtones you would like to use. Click the Save To button to save them to your desktop. Once they are saved, you could double-click them to open them in iTunes. This will save them in the ringtone section of your iTunes library. Navigate back to your device and navigate to the Ringtones tab. Select Sync Ringtones and sync your device. You could view all of your saved ringtones by using the Manage Ringtones button on the home page. Use the Manage button in the upper right-hand corner to go into Select mode. Select the ringtones that you would like to email. Click the Email button and send.